Get started here. I'm going to open up Illustrator and create a new document size of 1280 by 1280 pixels. First grab the pen tool and come over here to the top left portion of the screen and click to create a point, then hold shift brings the line straight down here, click again and create another point, then let go of shift and press enter. Come over here to the stroke menu and just increase the size a little thicker. That looks pretty good. Now grab the select tool, click and drag the line, then hold shift plus alt and bring it over to the right a little bit. Next, to do that, press Ctrl D on the keyboard and repeat that process until we have lines going across the artboard. Now select all of these lines and going to group them together. Now rotate them around so that they're going diagonally. Bring the cursor out to the top right corner and you notice that the icon of the cursor is going to change into a rotation handle. Take that and rotate that around and hold shift for locks it onto that axis right there. Now create a letter, grab the text tool and you can use whatever letter you want. You can use any font you want, but it's better to work if you use a really heavyweight font. Let's select lines and bring the opacity of this down a little bit. Convert the text object into an outline by pressing Shift plus Ctrl plus O, or you can just go to the type menu and look for it. Now select the text object and take the opacity of this to bring it down a little bit as well. I can see where it lines up with the lines here. Grab the select tool and scale this up, hold Shift plus Alt so it scales proportionally. Now select both of these objects and going to grab the Align menu. If you don't have the Align tab visible, you can just go to the Windows menu and look for it. Make sure that both of these objects are centered. Now just take the letter and click and drag and hold Shift plus Alt to scale this up like that. I want this to be about that big. You can go as you want. Go to Object Ungroup, then go to Object Path and click on Outline Stroke. Again go to Object Compound Path Make. Now just click and drag over both of these objects to select both of them. Then go to the Pathfinder menu, over here to where it says Intersect and click on that, and it's going to create an intersection of lines in the letter. Now if you want you can customize its outline and give the shape as you want. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you do, that you never miss any of my amazing videos. Every time I upload any amazing videos you get a notification that might be useful to you. Thanks for watching. Next time we met again with an amazing new video and a new topic. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sayonara.